Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Run TMC. I'm your host, Max Miller, and I'm excited that in this episode we're talking about the new SAP Concur Partner Portal. I'm joined today by Dakota Werner from our Global Partner Marketing team. We think you'll agree that the enhancements and ease of use in the new portal will be a welcome change to your sales and marketing teams as they look for content for your customers and prospects. We'll give you a tour and show you where to find content to strengthen your current marketing efforts. So let's get started. Thank you for joining me today, Dakota.
Thank you for having me, Max. I'm really looking forward to showing our TMCs the new partner portal.
So the SAP Concur Partner Portal has been around for quite some time. And the great news is we've evolved it to a new platform to better meet the needs of our partners. That said, for some, the partner portal is a new tool. And for others, it's something they've worked with before. But for everyone, the new partner portal is redesigned with an enhanced user experience. So before we get into that, can you start with a brief description of what the partner portal is?
Absolutely, Max. The partner portal will be your new one-stop location for SAP Concur partner content related to all programs. The new partner portal has been enhanced to now include more than sales and marketing content. This new content includes SAP Concur training, the SAP Concur Value Hub, SAP Concur Implementation Knowledge Center, SAP Concur Program Legal and Contractual content, and of course, partner-specific content, as well as our marketing materials. The tool has been built for marketers and sellers in our partner organizations. This means that anyone in roles of marketing, sales, account management, all of you can take advantage of all the resources that I just mentioned. And in just a few minutes, we'll go through a brief demo where I'll show you how you can access all this great content.
Great. Thank you, Dakota. Before we get into the demo, let's also talk about how our TMC partners can find it and gain access to it.
Yes, of course. To gain access to the new partner portal, click on the link that we provided in our launch material emails. It's the same link that you're seeing now on screen. If you can't find it, send a message to SAP Concur Partners at sap.com and we'll happily resend it to you. Additionally, we've created a Smartsheet form for everyone to submit for access requests. You'll see that link on screen now, and it was also recently provided in the Q2 2023 Partner Link newsletter for TMCs that was published at the end of June. Once you're there, you will need to click the link to accept access. This is a one-time acceptance, so you will not have to log in or change your password after that. You will need to be registered for an SAP ID, so we recommend if you're having trouble logging in, clicking on the Get SAP ID button. We encourage you to do it right away so that you have the access you need whenever you would like to go forward.
Great. That's very important to note. Now, let's get into the demo. Can you talk about what kind of materials are in the portal and how they are newly categorized and how these materials can be used by our TMCs?
Sure, I'm happy to. Let's dive in.
Once in the partner portal, you'll notice easily identifiable content categories, allowing you to find exactly what you're looking for. You'll see the homepage provides a broad range of content for you to access and use, from sales and services training, the Value Hub for SAP Concur Partners, and the Partner Marketing Hub. You'll also find partner-specific information around partner programs. These materials have been gated based on your partner type. For this demo, I'm going to focus on the Partner Marketing Hub and then show you the TMC page. Both will be excellent resources for you and your teams. You'll find that the Marketing Hub houses materials such as marketing enablement and demand generation. We've also provided a variety of quick links to put the most important documents just a click away. The main navigation of the Marketing Hub runs across the top of the page. You'll find categories like partner types, enhanced skills, campaign hub, products, expand brand, events, thought leadership, and region-specific content, where you'll find content translated into several different languages. In the limited amount of time that the partner portal has been live, we've seen many downloads from the enhanced skill page. This page includes our guides, demand generation content, and our partner marketing program information. Our partner marketing programs are a very valuable resource, and you can find a quick guide to share with your teams right here. Next, I'm going to show you the Campaign Hub. In the Campaign Hub, we organize content to better reflect the buyer's journey of our customers. You'll find the same great campaign and guide content, but we've made it easier to review in categories of awareness, consideration, and purchase. We do also have some themed campaigns, such as the SAP and SAP Concur Solution campaign. So now let's find your partner type page. There's two ways to get there. One by selecting the partner type in the menu, or by clicking this little caret, and there's a drop-down menu of all of our partner types. I'm going to navigate to the TMC page. So this is where you'll find all of the content specific to you, from the newsletters and Run TMC videos to information around important topics in our industry, logos for your use, links to training, and brand guidelines. At the bottom of the page, we've provided an easy link to the TMC Partner Program page where you'll find all the program information, as well as a quick link back to the main Partner Marketing Hub. It's also important to note that, like the other portal, we will continue to add new content in all categories, so we encourage you to check back frequently for new additions. We encourage all of you to click through each of the categories and become familiar with where the content lives. And before we move on, I would like to talk about one additional and highly requested feature that I'm excited to announce that we can now actually offer, and this is email notifications. What I would recommend doing is going to the Partner Marketing Hub and the TMC program site page, clicking these three little buttons at the top right, selecting email notifications, and you can set them for immediately, daily, or weekly. We're not trying to add to your inbox, but we do want to make sure that you're aware when there's something new. With this new functionality, you just set it once and don't need to touch it again. We do suggest that you select to receive notifications weekly so you have the visibility that you need.
That is great. Thank you. We know that not all users will search and look for documents in the same way. Can you talk to us a bit about the search functionality available?
Yes, that's a great call out, Max. To make sure we address multiple ways of finding content, you'll see a search box at the top of each page. You can type a keyword such as playbook, email, logo, etc. From there, the tool will pull a list of content that matches your search, and you can make your selection from there. It's also important to note that if you don't find something, you can request content via the feedback form linked on the Partner Portal homepage.
Thank you for the detailed information and the demo. It is very helpful, and I know our TMCs will appreciate the easy navigation and access to content. I know there is so much to explore. Is there anything else you would like to let our viewers know before we close?
Thank you, Max. And yes, just a few more things. We encourage all of our viewers to bookmark the Partner Portal URL, as well as the Partner Marketing Hub, so you have access to this information quickly. No more digging through content and trying to find what you need. Also, I think it's really important to say, we heard you. We've done away with the unique username and password, no more resetting your password every 90 days. All you need to do is click the link to accept the access, and you're ready to go. We also know that this is a new tool, so to help our users become more comfortable, we're offering a series of enablement webinars. These will be in our Partner Pathways webinar series. Register and attend when you can, but know that the recording will be posted in the Partner Portal if you can't make it. Thanks so much.
Great information. Thank you, Dakota, for sharing all this with our TMC partners. And to our partners, thanks for joining us today. As a reminder, you can find this and other Run TMC videos in the Partner Portal by accessing Partner Types tab at the top and selecting TMC. We'll see you next time on the next Run TMC.